Once again, 안녕하세요, Vaishnavi ji.
안녕하세요, 선장님.
Yeah. So let's start today conversation. Okay.
Okay.
The conversation name is Cinema Hall.
Cinema hall.
In English and in Korean, Yonghwa Gwan. Okay. First, let's
Sorry, sir.
learn.
Can you please repeat it?
I will repeat it. Okay. So first, learn this
Okay.
conversation. Conversation. What to say
Okay.
in Korean? See.
Okay.
Hue Hwa. Hue.
Hey,
W-E-H. Hue Hwa.
way,
Hue. Hue. Hue.
way,
Or you can say like this, way, who, way,
way, way,
way, way, hua,
way, way, hua, way, hua,
mm,
way, hua, way,
way,
hua.
hua, way, hua.
It means conversation.
Yes.
Way, hua.
Next, you spell it like this. This is yo and ang. Young, right?
Ah,
Young, then then
ha,
wa.
hua,
Young
hua,
hua. Young hua.
heng hua, yeng hua,
Not yen. Young hua.
yong hua,
Then next is go, wa.
mm,
No.
guan.
Yes. Yonghwa Guan.
Guan. Yeah,
Say
Yonghua Guan.
Yonghwa Guan.
Yonghua Guan.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yonghwa Guan.
Yonghua Guan.
Yonghwa.
Yonghua Guan.
Correct. Repeat three
Okay.
times.
Yonghua Guan. Yonghua Guan. Yonghua Guan. Yonghua Guan.
Next. This one.
Um, Yong Chu. It's
Oh,
Yong Chu.
Yongju Ju.
Yong Chu. Yong Chu.
This is the name. Korean name.
Korean name.
Some person's name.
Okay. Okay, okay. Yongchu.
So they asking to you, how do you do? Or
Okay.
they say,
How
good
do you
morning.
do?
How do you do is also as a like say
Yeah,
hi.
yeah. We will ask like, how do you do?
Yeah. Next.
Yeah. Now
This
it's
is the first word in the Korean sentence.
convert.
Then
Okay.
whenever you start, no, like first time you start conversation, we say no, good morning, how do
Un
you do? Namaskar,
uh-huh.
namaskara, namaste, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So Sam, this is the word which every Korean has to say, or any other person who want to speak in Korean, they have to say. Spell it.
Anyong Anyongha seyo. Anyongha seyo.
Correct. Next.
Anyongha haseyo.
안녕하세요.
Anyonghaseyo.
No,
Okay. Now it's I am a Korean.
no, repeat first that sentence. No, that sentence
How
five
do you
times.
do?
Five times. Only Korean.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
Now,
안녕하세요.
now add something again.
안녕하세요, 선생님. 안녕하세요, 선생님. 안녕하세요, 선생님. 안녕하세요, 선생님. 안녕하세요, 선생님. 안녕하세요, 선생님.
Good.
안녕하세요, 선생님.
Now start this one. Second line.
Okay. I am a Korean. I am a Korean. Um, uh, 저는
Hmm.
저는 한국 사람
Correct. Next.
입니다.
Good. Repeat one time.
저는 저는 한국 사람입니다.
Very good.
하,
Next.
저는 한국 사람입니다.
Next.
How do you do?
This name.
Uh, it's Kil Dil Dilasha.
Hmm.
So like it's first thing it will become la, and
Hmm.
here also it becomes the same thing. Dilla, Dilasha.
Hmm.
Okay,
Actually,
Dilash.
this both become in Hindi wala law sound.
La. Okay,
Thus,
Dilasha,
Dilasa.
Dilasha.
Hmm. She was my
Okay,
student. Okay.
okay,
So
Dilasha.
next.
How do you do?
She was
And
from Anantapur.
sorry.
She was from Anantapur district, in Andhra Pradesh.
Oh, okay, Dilasha. Okay, how do you do? Anyonga hasayo.
Correct. Next.
I am an Indian. I am an Indian. Now it's Chonan.
Same. Same. How you spell, how you read it, this one, no? Same is here. Only change
Okay.
is this one. The rest
Uh-huh.
are same.
In Chonan Indu Saram Imnida.
Repeat two times
Chonan
fastly.
Chonan Indu Saram Imnida. Chonan Indu Saram Imnida. Chonan Indu Saram Imnida. Chonan Indu Sara Imnida. Chonan Indu Saram Imnida. Chonan Indu Saram Imnida.
Correct. Next.
Now it is the person Yong Chu. Excuse me, may I know your name?
Hmm.
Now um uh, Sil Silajom
You have right now you have studied the word vocabulary table, right?
Silo Silajaman Silajaman,
Spell it.
correct?
No, spell it.
Sil Le
Hmm.
Silye
Hmm.
Chi
Hmm.
Mon
Hmm.
Sil Sile Chiman Sile Chiman
Not man, man.
Sile Chiman
Hmm.
Sile Chiman Sile Chiman Il Iram Irami
Hmm. Irumi.
Irumi Mi Irumi Sila Chiman Irumi um
Not say silla, sille.
Sile.
Hmm.
Okay,
This is
it's
A, right? This is A.
Sile Chimi Sile Chimi
Jiman, sille, jiman.
Sile Chiman Sile Chiman Irumi Irumi it's yum it's
Not First,
mu
yes.
it's muyot myot
No, no, no. Ah, if you read separately, then
Uh-huh.
muot,
Moth.
muot.
Moth. Now if we add it, it's become moth.
Hmm,
Moth. Imnika.
correct. If you read
Moth
together,
imnika.
you need to read together, then it will
Moth
be
imnika.
no, muosimnika,
Mosimnika.
like
Oh,
this.
this sa will go here.
It will be like this, muosimnika.
Simnika. Mosimnika.
This one, no, here, this will pronunciation will be like this. This will be wrong. Okay, I'll change it. Moth.
Okay. Moth.
Okay, moth.
Okay.
Like this. Moth. I'll change it. Okay.
Okay, so
Next.
now it's Silechiman Irumi Mosimika.
Mosimnika.
Mosimnika. Mo
Mosimnika.
Mosimnika.
Muosimnika.
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 Correct.
Simnika.
Silejiman Irumi Mosimnika.
Silechiman Irumi Mosimnika.
Correct. Next.
Okay.
No.
Next is uh mm, Dilasha.
Hmm.
My name is Dilasha. Um, it's Che
Hmm.
Irumi
Iruman.
Irum Irumun
Hmm.
Irumun
Hmm.
Irumun Dil Dilesha.
Same name is written. Dilas.
Name Dilasha
Hmm.
Inmida.
Imnida.
Imnida. Okay. Now the first thing is Che, correct, sir?
Correct.
Che. Irumin. Iruman.
Iruman. Iruman.
Iruman.
Hmm.
Iruman. Iruman. Dilesha.
Dila-
Dilasha.
Dilasa.
Dilasha. Dilasha. Imnida.
Correct. Next.
Okay. Imnida. Okay.
Hmm.
Next, this is Yongchu.
Hmm.
I am Kim Yong-jo. Kim Yong-jo.
Hmm.
Che Irum Irum Irumin
Hmm.
Irumin Iruman Che Iruman Kim Yong-jo.
Hmm.
Kim Yong-jo 입니다.
Kim Yong Jo.
Kim
This is Ju.
Yong-jo.
You can put
Kim
U or
Yong-ju.
Ju. Both are fine.
Okay.
Hmm.
제 이름은 김영조입니다.
Next.
Okay. Next is that PVR Cinema Hall.
Hmm.
Now, 저 저기 저기가
Correct.
PVR
Hmm.
저기가 PVR 어, 국경
Hmm.
국청
Hmm.
어, 음, 저기가 PVR 국청입니까?
Yes.
Okay.
Imnika.
저입니까?
Hmm.
Yeah.
Next.
저기가. Uh, Dilasha, yes, it is.
Hmm.
Ne, PVR Gukuk, Gu, Guk, Gukchang imnida.
Yes.
Okay. Gukchang, 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 Gukchang.
Next.
Next, Yongchu. Is this entrance?
Is this entrance?
Is this entrance? Yo, Yogiga.
Hmm.
Yeah. In, Ibun.
Mhm.
Yogiga. Ibun.
Spelling. Spelling.
Ibin. Okay. E.
Hmm.
B.
No, this will be pause sound here.
Ip.
Hmm.
Uh,
I have explained in the
Ipku.
word.
Ipku.
Yes.
हाँ, इ- Yogiga Ipku Imnika.
Correct. Very good.
Yogiga Ipku Imnika.
Correct. Very good. Now, last
Okay.
sentence.
No, it's Dilasha. No, it is exit. Now it's Ani, Anyo,
Hmm.
um, Anyo, um, Chulgu, Chulgu,
Yes. Correct.
Anyo, Chulgu, Imnida.
Very
Anyo,
good. Very good.
Chuldu, Imnika.
Chulgu.
Chulgu. Anyo, Chulgu, Imnika.
Correct.
Okay.
So now tell me, how do you feel after reading this conversation?
It's like I feel, oh, now I can read sentences. I can understand new words.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So feel you do feel interesting like this is language
Yeah,
reading.
yeah, yeah. If I sit for an 2 hour or something, like I'll be very fluent. I hope so.
Yes, yes. It should require only
Yeah.
practice.
Yeah, yeah. So I will do it.
And in the starting, you need only guidance from teacher, okay, and your
Okay.
practice and your
Okay,
practice.
sir.
Basically, this is now your pronunciation in Korean language. Pronunciation requires more importance because
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
it's a Bachim rule. Not according to Bachim rule, you need to pronounce it.
In
Okay.
this, like, we have to open our mouth and pronounce fully.
Yes, yes,
Uh,
yes. This requires only.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So there are many more conversations. So you will be fluent in reading, speaking, and writing. Okay, listening also.
Okay, sir. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So see you in the next class because today is over. Na? Like you will in after like if you repeat, if I tell you no repeat against this conversation, you may be like no okay, okay, I'll do it tomorrow or maybe next class. Okay.
You'll
So
send me this note, sir.
I will share with you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
I'll
sir.
share with you now. So you
Okay.
can one second. You can uh, page here, na? How many page? From where to where? Okay, so let me stop the recording. Okay.
Okay.